To vault AWS Auth, you need to understand the basics of AWS authentication and HashiCorp Vault. Vault is a tool that securely stores and manages sensitive data such as passwords and API keys. First, create an AWS IAM user with programmatic access and attach the necessary policies to the user. The policies should include permissions to access the AWS services that you want to vault. Next, install and configure HashiCorp Vault on your system. You can do this by downloading the Vault binary and running it in server mode. Once Vault is running, you need to configure the AWS Auth backend. This involves creating a new Auth backend and specifying the AWS region and IAM user credentials. After configuring the AWS Auth backend, you can authenticate with Vault using the AWS IAM user credentials. This involves running a command that specifies the Auth backend and the IAM user credentials. Once authenticated, you can store and manage sensitive AWS data such as access keys and secret keys. You can also use Vault to generate dynamic AWS credentials that have a limited lifetime. Best practices for vaulting AWS Auth include using a secure method to store the IAM user credentials, such as an encrypted file or a secrets manager. You should also limit the permissions of the IAM user to the minimum required and use a least privilege approach. Additionally, you should use a secure method to authenticate with Vault, such as using a client certificate or a JSON web token. You should also monitor and audit all access to Vault and the AWS services that are being vaulted. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely vault your AWS Auth credentials and protect your AWS account from unauthorized access. This will help to improve the security and compliance of your AWS environment.